And welcome back to Apple Insider. Yes, we're taking a slight detour from Cupertino today to check out something that's been creating waves in the Android universe. You heard the rumors, you saw the leaks, and now it's official. The Realme 15 Pro is coming in 2026, and it's not just another mid-range refresh. This thing is packed with futuristic tech that's aimed to shake up the competition. Let's start with the design. Realme is going full sci-fi with a transparent nano-layered glass back that subtly lights up with notifications, and get this, it's customizable. Whether you want a breathing LED pattern when you get a call, or a pulsing glow for your favorite apps, it's all controlled through the Realme Sync AI. And it's not just the looks. Under the hood, the 15 Pro is rocking Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 chip, built on a 3nm architecture. Translation: lightning-fast performance, AI-optimized processing, and insane power efficiency. Realme claims a 20% performance boost over last year's model and nearly 30% better thermal regulation, which means smoother gaming and no overheating. Yes, even when you're binge-playing Genshin or pushing out 4K edits on the fly. Display-wise, Realme's introducing a new 6.9-inch Super AMOLED HyperFlex panel with a 144Hz refresh rate and a mind-blowing peak brightness of 3200 nits. It's not just about being bright, it's adaptive, smart, and power-efficient, making it one of the best panels we've seen in the Android space. Color accuracy: punchy. Response time: instant. HDR10+ support. Of course, camera lovers, get ready. This phone is sporting a 200-megapixels OIS-enhanced main sensor, paired with a 50-megapixels ultra-wide, and a 32-megapixels periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom. All powered by Realme's new Neural Vision Engine 3.0. Night shots: crystal, zoomed-in details, razor-sharp. And portrait mode just got a major AI boost that Apple's own photonic engine might want to take notes on. Battery and charging: the Realme 15 Pro packs a 5500 mAh graphene battery with 150W fast charging. Realme claims 0 to full in just under 14 minutes. Wireless charging's also here, and yes, reverse charging too. Oh, and the battery's rated to retain 90% health even after 1600 charge cycles. That's flagship territory. Software: it ships with Realme UI 6.0 based on Android 15, and they've finally gone minimalist. Less bloatware, tighter animations, and a new focus mode that integrates with AI to filter distractions during work or study. Realme's ecosystem is also expanding, with tablets, wearables, and even smart glasses rumored to sync seamlessly. Now, pricing hasn't been confirmed yet, but early reports suggest it'll undercut the Galaxy S26 and Pixel 9 Pro by a couple $100, making it a serious value contender in the premium mid-range segment. So, what do you think? Is the Realme 15 Pro just a flashy spec machine, or is it truly a taste of the future for Android fans? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this sneak peek from the Android side, don't worry, we're still all in on Apple. But here at Apple Insider, we keep an eye on the competition too. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our in-depth comparisons once the Realme 15 Pro officially drops. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.